not shifting properly. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the tools that you need for this job. Alright, so this is a little Craftsman set that I've had forever. I have another one that's much larger that I've had since the 90s. And this one here gets the job done. So as you can see, this is all you need. So you need this ground. So you'll need the spark plug socket. It's 5/8, okay? Probably you'll need this ratchet, okay? A quarter ratchet. 3/8, okay? So those are the ratchets you'll need. You will definitely need an extension. Longer than this one. I have one that's almost a foot long. It's in my toolbox, by the toolbox. Okay, so, and then you will need a 8mm socket. As you can see, I actually lost mine. It fell. It's the only thing I've dropped during this whole thing. So what I had to do was switch to a 5/16, okay? So I had to use that instead, and that is for the bolt that goes in the ignition coil. This is for the spark plug, of course. You'll need this flathead screwdriver, and you'll need this. This is something that my friend Tiger made. He kind of rubbed that thing, sanded it down with the concrete, and you use that to kind of, I'll explain later, but this is all about the coil. So this is for the coil. And you will need rope. Not this long, probably only this much rope, okay? But you will need this, and I will explain later. When you are pulling out these coils, just put a rope right here around that, and then just pull straight up. Comes right out.
What?
So you're just feeding in the last.
Yeah, that's the last plug.
I mean, on this side, yeah.
Come in.
We're going to take these 3 out. 1, 2, 3. So we're hoping that $50 worth of spark plugs will sort out this issue with the vehicle misfiring. If not, we'll have to move on to the ignition coils. Here are the spark plugs that came out. The SP534 has been discontinued for the SP580. That's what these are here. So here is the coil, the ignition coil. My dad's already done the other side, and I'm working on the other 3. They've been very tough to get out. I'm working on the last one, but this is the first one. I keep them in order. I don't want them to get mixed up. So here it is. It looks pretty good. You just never know. But the spark plugs are the main thing. So I'm going to go on and pull the spark plugs out and show you what that's about using this type of, let me tell you which kind of socket this is. It's 5/8. So 5/8, I go in here and counterclockwise it. You really want to be careful when you're putting them back in because you don't want to cross thread. Because I had someone do that to me once. It wasn't good. So now I probably wouldn't have done this myself because I've just gotten really lazy. But my dad has been doing this kind of stuff for over 50 years now. So it's nothing to him to go in and do these jobs. And I think I have it right here. So there's the spark plug. Let me show it to you. Now these don't look as bad as the other ones. Is it focused? So But it looks bad, look at that. It doesn't look good, so I'm gonna go on and put the new one in. The gap's a little bit bigger than it should be, so I checked it with this gapping tool here. You see this, the tip here? That's the worst one I've seen yet. All right, time for the moment of truth. Cranks up. There you have it, new plugs at 78,971 miles. Basically 40 miles of driving that I've put on this vehicle. Here's one last look at the spark plugs in order of the way they were, if I want to be technical here. Basically from the front of the car going straight back. These are the two firewall plugs. This is how they look. So that's it. The car seems to be running pretty smooth, but we got to get down the road and see what's going to happen here.